Good morning. It's Tuesday. This is my makeup. This is my outfit. Wait. This is my outfit. नीचे जाके दिखाती हूँ. मेरे मेकअप करने का कुछ भी फायदा तो रहा नहीं है क्योंकि इतने गर्मी में मेरा पूरा पसीना छूट ही जा रहा है बिल्कुल. सीधा करो ना, तुमको क्या आता नहीं है तो ऐसे करो ना अच्छे से. Hi, so I have to switch my bus from here, and it's always so hot. Uh, view by the way. Mhm. So I'll not talk much here because आ गई है bus and I'll get on and then we'll talk. इस जगह पे आके मुझे हमेशा सुसु ही आती है. So I have one pimple, another coming here, and this is my mole. This I think it's time for the P word. क्या मैं boring हो रही हूँ? I don't know. So in this video, we'll serve some tips and tricks of how to survive in corporate in Dubai or anywhere else because yeah because yeah. So rule number one: whenever you're getting hired, always ask them to apply your visa first. Most companies will tell you that, okay, you can, on tourist visa, you can start working for us, and if we like you, we will hire you and apply your company visa. Never fall for that because high chances they are never going to apply for your visa and they will force you to work on tourist visa, which is not allowed. So if you get caught, you will be deported forever. Tip number two: if you're living very far from your office and it takes you like it takes you a lot of time to commute, say it out loud. They will have to compensate either financially or maybe they will adjust your work hours. So always speak up of your struggles and ask for a solution. If you keep struggling, nobody cares. If you ask for a solution, they will have to address that. Third thing, if you're asked to do something at your workplace which is not mentioned in your contract or in your job profile, either they will pay you extra or you can just deny. And do not be like, oh, it's a small company, I can just, adjust a little bit. No, that's not what you are here to do. You are here for earning. Do that respectfully. No need to provide extra labor for free. अब आते हैं major things पे that that are that are common everywhere. Like if any corporate you're working. Also, in UAE, work week has been reduced to 4 days a week, only for government employees. So if you're not in a government company, of course, if you're an expat, you cannot be a government employee. So suffer, bro, suffer with me, and know of your working hours. There's a limit for working hours that only 48 hours a week. Do not exceed that. If it exceeds, uh, you can raise a complaint. Okay, now coming to the common things. Bhai, if you're working in corporate, your efforts matter less than the time you take to complete a task. If you complete a task in 10 minutes, you'll not be appreciated as much as if you are completing the same task in 1.5 day or even 2 days. कॉर्पोरेट में लोगों को सीधा काम समझ में ही नहीं आता है. दे वॉन्ट वाई कॉर्पोरेट इज रनिंग इज उनको चाहिए कि भाई मिनटों का काम घंटों में हो. तब उनको लगता है कि कुछ काम हो रहा है. So if you can do a task in 10 minutes, do not. You will just be loaded with more work and less value, because they will think, oh, the work we are giving her is so easy. She's basically doing nothing. So do not do that. Take your time, and when you're taking time, you will, of course, have some improvements in the same task as well. So take your time and do everything strategically, because nobody is going to appreciate you. If they appreciate you, you are more likely to ask for a promotion, which they do not want. So they will never appreciate you. And you should never feel bad about not getting appreciation, because you must know what work you're doing and you must stand for yourself, and you must know what you're doing. And yeah, that's all. In corporate, you'll always, no matter how good you work, how good you complete a task, you'll always have to answer stupid questions. Why have you like why have you placed the logo here instead of in the left or in the middle, like that? So okay. So never get frustrated at these stupid questions. Always have a script ready. What kind of script? Nothing related to the question they have said. Just blabber, incorporate, like anything that I think this, I think placing it here does this for a company. It shows da 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 da, yada yada yeah, and they will think, oh my God, you're a genius, which you are, and which they are not. Okay. So for more tips and tricks, I will meet you after I survive a day in my office, and see you at 7 p.m. Like 7 बजे मिलने की बात थी, 8 बज चुकी है. All the advice I gave in the morning कि अगर तुमसे ओवर टाइम कराए तो ये कर देना, वो कर देना, भाई मैं क्या बोलूँ. I feel bad at myself only. Ki what I preach, I myself don't follow. I said it after 40 minutes that, brother, I need to leave. Well, I lied again. I said after 15 minutes that, brother, I need to leave. Oh God. Never let this become a habit. And now that I have said it in my video earlier too, and now too, I am taking this as a lesson. I will never do it again. And so should you not. I forgot my whole script. I had something ready for the second part, but I just forgot everything. Now it's just a crash out. Oh my God. I had to pee, but I did not, because I'm already too late and I have to travel for 2 hours. And if I take a pee break, I may miss my bus. And these people will never care. God. Not saying that I'm desperate, but yes, I want this YouTube to work out for the same reason. Because no matter how good I work, they always prefer AI over this. I just said it out loud in the meeting today. They wanted me to use AI, and I just said it that using AI is not morally correct, and I don't do it in my work. And they were like, "Oh, you don't?" Which I don't. So yeah. Mm. And I hope LinkedIn gets hacked. I hope AI takes over the world and end this corporate shit. I am too done for this, bitch. हाँ, अब हम वेट करते हैं हमारी बस का, और 2 घंटे बिता कर जाते हैं अपने अपने घर, और घर जाके रोते हैं क्योंकि सड़क पे तो रो नहीं सकते यार. The best corporate trick to survive in the world, in the corporate world, is to never get a corporate job. When I'm sad, I do no back crack. So suffer with me and bye because I want to have some time for myself, man. I cannot just work all day and be told to use AI. I will never use AI as much as they want me to. I want to have a creative career. I don't like this at all.
सैड है तो क्या हुआ, घर तो आ चुके हैं और घर पे आके तो हम हैप्पी ही हो जाते हैं. तो हियर इज़ द बैक क्रैक. Follow me on Instagram for daily fit checks. Subscribe to my YouTube for weekly back cracks. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh shit. This is what happens when you work for more than 10 hours in a chair. भाई ज़्यादा ज़ोर से हो गई.